Hey Panthers! Today we're going to be doing 2 different makeup looks with
Lily
and
Emily. I don't have a mic.
she doesn't have a mic right now, but that's okay. So we're just going to be trying, so Lily's going to be doing,
Clean girl.
like she's going to be doing a simple holiday look, and Emily's going to be doing
Full glam.
Okay, let's get started.
So, I'm going to be making a line in Maiden's face because this is my side and this is Emily's side. Okay. Bye. Your hair's like everywhere.
It's okay.
No, look directly at me, in front. I'm going to mess it up. Emily said she'd jump me if I make the line too big.
I never said that. I'm not that kind of person.
Avatar.
Let me. All right. Okay, so the next thing that I'm gonna use is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in I don't really know what shade this is, but it looks like this.
Okay, the next thing I'm going to use is L'Oreal shade C3 concealer.
All right, and then I'm gonna take this brush right here and get some concealer on it, and then I'm gonna carve out her eyebrows.
So I'm just gonna slap it on. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm gonna get her in her eyelashes.
I feel like I'm gonna like
Just open the eye.
now I'm gonna take this. Actually, I'm not gonna use.
I didn't even say what I was. I'm using a beauty blender, by the way.
I'm gonna use this brush from Eco Tools. I don't know where. I think I stole this from. I think I stole this from my mom. So it's okay.
Sorry, Mom. I guess.
Sorry, Mama.
Mama,
a girl behind you.
All right. So now that it looks not blended at all, trust guys, it will blend.
So I don't know what this gives off. It just gives off Snapchat filter. Wait, let me see your side.
Okay.
It's kind of not blended, but
It's not supposed to be. Trust. Okay. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit of contour on her forehead, and then we're gonna take a brush. I recommend an angled one like this to really like pat it, you know, on her face.
okay. I'm just gonna slap on some more concealer. We're gonna do like dots.
We're gonna just blend. You never want to rub it. We always want to pat it into the skin so it looks flawless. So the next thing that I'm gonna go in with is this this Fit Me foundation. It's cheap and affordable, and I really like it. It's in shade 235 Pure Beige, but I am gonna warn y'all, it is
Empty.
it is almost empty. I need to get a new one. But so basically, how I take this out, because it doesn't have a pump, is I just hit it on my hand. Just.
Okay, anyway, I'm gonna be using the Rare Beauty blush in shade Hope.
Oh, look, it's see, look, it's there. Woo. Okay, so we're just.
Okay, just turn, please. Don't add too much Rare Beauty or your face is gonna be blush blindness. That's all I'm gonna say.
Okay, so now that I got some out of the bottle, I'm gonna take a brush. So we're gonna pick it up and we're just gonna swipe it across her face.
So now I'm gonna get my Too Faced palette and we're gonna add more blush.
When I use contour, I like the sticks because you can really like get it where you need it to be. So the sticks, it's the best kind.
Okay, now I'm gonna use this cookie highlighter from Benefit in the shade 4C07. And yeah, we're gonna put it on the same brush we used for the blush. We're gonna highlight the side of her face. Stop looking at me.
Anyways, so when you do the contour, I kind of like to make a C looking shape on her face just to like give it dimension.
Let me just blend that out. Okay, now I'm gonna get the cookie highlighter again and I'm gonna highlight her nose with my fingy.
You're gonna get done way faster than I am.
I know, I'm like already done.
Oh, I barely
The eye
started.
Well, yeah, but I'm doing the base. Base.
Can't see.
Okay, so I'm gonna put it at the tip of her tickle tickle.
All right, and now
That's
we're gonna
bugging
go
with the
in
blue.
with this again, and we just wipe it on there, and then contour the nose.
Okay, I'm gonna get the highlighter again, and I'm gonna put it at the crevice of dip.
In
on
the
her
lip.
lip.
bow.
Okay, Cupid's bow. Right there. Let's
And then,
No.
all right. So then I take the same brush that I have been blending the contour,
Eyelash.
and I just kind of pat it into the nose.
Bye. I like missed the line so clearly. There's like another line I made because I don't want to hit the blue and it's mixing in. Anyway, I'm using the Leaf brow gel from Emily. So I've never used brow gel in my life.
All right, we don't need that much because it will make your eyebrows sticky.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and I'm gonna go back in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and we're gonna conceal in. Okay, please open your eye.
Okay, so all I'm gonna do is just brush it up and then like, you feel me?
All right, so we're gonna put it right there in the eye, and then we're gonna draw a line, kind of where like the contour, like
Jawline?
no,
Wait, I
your
kinda
cheekbone,
ate.
it like lifting your cheekbone.
Wait, did I eat Emily for my first ever time doing brows?
Yeah, it's just I would not do it like that.
Okay, well I kind of like never done it before.
Make sure that like you blend all the way up. Sorry, I'm like abusing Maiden, but it's okay. I'm nowhere near done with my side, but it looks like this.
And then
Trust the process.
this is Lily's side.
Mhm.
Okay.
And it's
So now that we're done with all of our cream products, we're gonna
no, I need
bake.
to comb.
And I actually just got this new powder,
Remember for the
so we're gonna try it
eyeshadow?
out together.
Okay.
Oh, look how cute this is.
We're gonna use blue because we're doing the blue look, and this random brush from my dad. So
Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
I got this off the TikTok shop
It's not a TikTok shop.
because I thought it was really cute packaging, so I got it. Ooh!
I need you to turn,
So basically,
like my way.
it comes out really fast.
Oh no.
I didn't know that. Anyways,
Don't even look.
she's dusty.
Oh, also I've never done eyeshadow before and not on purpose. So turn. Let me just see.
You're kind of rough on my eyelid.
We're gonna get another brush and we're gonna do the same thing I've been doing.
All right, so I'm gonna be using this big fluffy brush just to blend out, and it's also been sitting for a few minutes, and it really just mattes the face and makes it brighter.
Look at me.
Don't look at my side.
I'm not planning on it.
Turn.
And I use the Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder in shade 120 just for the forehead. Can I borrow her face? Thanks. And I just kind of put it everywhere on the forehead so the forehead is not oily.
Anyway,
so
girl,
the
let
next,
me speak. Thank you. Oh wait, no.
so I'm gonna be using this makeup palette, and there's a black in here, and I'm gonna be filling in her eyebrows because I don't want to pay money for an eyebrow pencil when I have this right here at home.
Okay, now I'm gonna get a really sparkly eyeshadow.
When I do it, I kind of just put a line where her eyebrow begins and then blend it all through the eyebrow. And this is just to fill in anywhere where her eyebrows bulge. I was looking at mine, guys.
Thank you.
Now, we're gonna take my one size palette. We're gonna use this middle one right here. It is very pigmented, so we're only gonna use a very, very, very small amount.
Okay.
On here.
For my Art Heart Revolution palette, we're gonna use this like purple shimmer.
All right, so when you apply the blush, you want to take it and you want to swipe up. Always swipe up. This again, and I'm going to go in with the lower one that's glittery. All right, and while she's doing that, I'm going to be getting my brow lift ready. And we're going to be using, how I do it is and then I just slide down, but I kind of make sure that it doesn't look too smooth, because brows are not supposed to look like that.
Okay, now for my Too Faced palette, we're gonna use Frosty, which is
Show them the shade.
A highlighter. I'm gonna start the eyeshadow, and my inspo, this right here.
in your eye and look up.
All right,
Turn.
Oh wait, you're done with the base?
almost.
Turn to.
I'm not completely done with the base.
Turn.
What do you need?
No, like I'm gonna do the eye and then I'm gonna fix up the base at the end. So before I move on, this is just what the base is kind of gonna look like. I'm gonna add a few more details to it at the end.
Now we're gonna use the LA Girl Very Blue and Sparkly little eyeshadow paste.
Just to give it a little bit of color. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with this gold shimmer and put it on the inner corner and kind of bring it in to the eye.
Use the Lash Sensational by Maybelline.
Sorry.
Wait a second. How do I do it? On you. Yeah, but it feels weird.
No, I don't trust you.
I don't trust myself. 31 minutes. Oh, it's 1:42. We gotta go.
Oh, we need to hurry. I'm gonna be using this shade right here, and I'm just gonna be putting it in the middle, and I'm just gonna blend it in with the gold glitter that I had before. We don't want it to be like too dramatic like the picture.
Open.
And then the last little section, we're gonna have this one, and we're just gonna blend it all in with this. Well, I'm gonna wait a minute because Lily's putting on her mascara.
Bro, Emily made me sit on this side, so I can't.
It's on my nose.
All right, and then we're just gonna blend. All right, and then we're gonna go
look at me,
in
just look at me.
with this
Just let
beautiful
me do it.
bronzer.
Come
I actually got this one at the CVS.
on.
Very
The
affordable.
CVS.
I'm gonna go over
I'm done.
with the bronzer where I put the contour.
Okay, I finished my side. Never touching it again.
Come here.
Can I have my bag?
We're just gonna put a little bit of lip gloss on, just to, you know, spice it up a little.
Lip gloss from Too Faced.
All right.
Lip.
And then the last step that I always do is mascara. This part is a little scary because we do have eyeshadow on. And then come back over here. All right, and we're just gonna. Okay, I do not know what you were talking about her tweaking, because she's not tweaking when I'm doing it.
Well, because you're on the good side, girl. I
What?
have this side, and I have to use my left hand.
I'm left-handed and I'm using my right.
Okay, well then you should have sat in this seat.
It's okay. And I don't really like to do under mascara, so we will not be doing that today. All right. And I just use the Telescopic by L'Oreal.
Now I'm going to add Dior lip oil. Purple. I don't know what shade, it doesn't say.
And then for the nose, I'm going to put Rare Beauty. Well, most of the time I put... All right. So this is my finished look. It's very bronzy.
Very good.
The eyeshadow look is very subtle. I really like that about mine.
So basically this is my side. It's very blue. Very clean, girl. I did not know we were doing just basic today, so I wouldn't have went all blue because now it looks odd. It's my first time doing eyeshadow.
This is not my first time doing eyeshadow. I have been doing eyeshadow.
This is not.
So Lily just needs a little practice. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, you did good. High five, Lily.
All right, we need to do. Okay. All right, so Maiden, how was your experience today?
I really liked it. I can definitely tell what side of like how long you've been doing. I can definitely tell like how long you guys been doing it. I really like you guys' techniques. I think Lily just needs a little more practice.
I've never done eyeshadow or brow gel in my entire life, so
Okay, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.